education is an important and a very essential thing to discuss with the girls while they are in school. Sport Development Aid, in collaboration with all universities, are collaborating to prepare an application where the girls and the community and the teachers will be able to learn different health education topics and get information on different issues like hygiene, menstruation, sexual reproductive health and rights. And all these topics, including environment, will help them understand how to take care of their health, their bodies, environment, respect to everyone, and finally they can reach their final goals which they are wishing to become.